Hey guys, how's it going on? My name is Kristifor and today I'm going to show you how to create a professional email signature. So let's get started. I'm gonna use a woodpecker email signature generator. I will leave the link below in the description so that you can open it. Once you open the link, you will see this page. In this page, you will be able to choose a template. They have 3 templates. You can take a look at them and see which one you like. I'll choose the template 1. Once you choose your own template, you will click on the next step here, where you can enter your personal information, like upload a profile picture, your name, your job title, website, social media, and things like that. Before you upload the profile picture here, you need to have the image uploaded online somewhere and copy and paste the link here. You can enter a basic picture like this, or if you have even an animated, also include it, and it will give much more better look to the email signature like this. So you can play around with the size of the image like this. Then you can change the sign off. Maybe if you don't like best regards, you can have kind regards, or have something custom. Then you need to fill up your personal and business information, like your name here. Then your job title. Then if you have a department, I don't have one. Your company name, I don't have one. Then your contact information, your email here. This is the email that I use. You can have your site. I'm gonna remove this. I will remove my phone number as well, and the company address as well. And below you can enter some social media links. So keep in mind, if you don't have any links, you just remove them and it will automatically remove them from the email signature. I will just enter mine. And once you have all the information filled up here, you will click on Add Style. I will see the Style tab. Here you can change the social media icons, style, the size of the icons. You can play around with the font, you can play around with the colors and things like that. So here I keep everything by the default. I only change the social media icons to filled, and then I change the text color a bit lighter like this. So once you have everything properly styled, you can just click Create Signature here, and it will open this page. Now here you can do different things, like you can download the HTML code if you like to have a backup. Then you can copy the email signature, or you can copy the HTML code. I usually copy the email signature because I'm using Gmail. So let me show you how you can include it. You open gmail.com, you will click on this icon here, and then you will click on See All Settings. And now if you scroll down, you will see signature. Here you will click on Create New, and you will type your signature name, and then you will click Paste here. Since you already copied the signature, when you paste it, it will look something like this. Now you can choose if you want the signature to be automatically included on the new emails or when you replay. And once that's done, just click Save Changes. And now if you click on Compose, signature is automatically included, and it will give much professional look to your emails. So I hope this video helped you out. If you want to see some more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get updated every time when I upload a new video. I'm uploading videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Until then, see you in the next video.